Assalamu alaikum, this is Ayub Gauri. I'm Executive Director with NetSol Technologies, and I'm also President of NICAD, National Incubation Center, Aerospace Technology, and also founder and CEO of Hospital. Really delighted to be here. My dear friend 𝘀𝘁𝗂𝗱𝗁 initiative, COTHM, and also 𝘀𝗀𝘁𝗂𝗱𝗆 se milke to I'm so delighted. He's running this place, and it is so aesthetically pleasing, especially when you talk about hospitality and food and tourism, when you see things done in a very systematic way. I personally feel this is touching global standards. I have experienced hospitality in many countries, and I think graduates from this place, those who have really worked hard, they can go anywhere and find employment globally and raise Pakistani flag as well. Best of luck, Babar Saab, Ahmed Saab. Inshallah, I will be there to support any initiative that you do undertake. Thank you.